Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss the advantages of learning management system. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantages of Learning Management System. Learning Management System or LMS offers numerous advantages for both learners and educators. Here are some of the key advantages of using an LMS or Learning Management System. Number 1, centralized learning. LMS or Learning Management System provides a centralized platform where learners can access all their learning materials including course content, videos, quizzes, and assignments. It offers a structured and organized environment for learners to access and engage with educational resources. Number 2, flexibility and convenience. Learning Management System or LMS enables learners to access learning materials anytime and anywhere as long as they have an internet connection. This flexibility allows learners to study at their own pace, fitting learning into their schedules and preferences. It is particularly beneficial for remote learners, working professionals, or individuals with busy lifestyles. Number 3, learning pathways. And learning Number 3, customized learning paths. An LMS or learning management system allows educators to create personalized learning paths for individual learners or groups of learners. Educators can tailor the content and activities to meet the specific needs of learning styles of each student, providing a more engaging and effective learning experience. Number 4, interactive and engaging content. LMS or Learning Management System performs often support a variety of multimedia content such as videos, interactive simulations, and gamified elements. These features make the learning experience more dynamic and engaging, enhancing learning motivation and retention of information. Number 5, assessment and tracking. LMS or Learning Management systems typically include built-in assessment tools such as quizzes, tests, and assignments. These tools enables educators to create and administer assessments efficiently, provide immediate feedback to learners, and track their progress. Learners can also monitor their own performance and identify areas for improvement. Number 6, collaboration and communication. LMS or Learning Management System platforms facilitate collaboration among learners and educators through features like discussion boards, chat functionalities, and virtual classrooms. Learners can interact with their peers, ask questions, share ideas, and participate in group activities, fostering a sense of community, enhancing the learning experience. Number 7, analytics and reporting. Learning management system or LMS platforms often provide comprehensive analytics and reporting functionalities. Educators can access data on learning performance, engagement, and progress, allowing them to identify trends, track learning outcomes, and make data-driven decisions to improve the learning experience. Number 8, cost and time efficiency. Implementing an LMS or learning management system can lead to cost and time savings for educational institutions. It reduces the need for physical resources like textbooks and printed materials, and it streamlines administrative tasks such as grading and record keeping. Moreover, LMS or learning management system platforms can scale to accommodate a large number of learners, making it cost effective for institutions with varying class sizes. Number 9, continuous learning and professional development. LMS platforms can support ongoing learning and professional development beyond formal education. Organizations can use LMS to deliver training programs, certifications, and skill development courses for their employees, allowing them to enhance their skills and knowledge conveniently. Overall, LMS or learning management system platforms offers a range of advantages by providing a flexible, interactive, and efficient learning environment that benefits both learners and educators. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the advantages of learning management system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.